Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on notifications and messages here. You click here on push notifications here. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here. So you will, sorry, we will go and go back here. You click here on push notifications. Then you're scrolling down here until you will find here market updates. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here investors guild here. Click in this sign on this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.